None. Let's cut to the chase. Your blog dreams are just a few steps away. First off, pick a niche that you absolutely love. Whether it's fashion, travel, or tech, choose something you're passionate about. This makes writing easier and more fun. Next, grab a catchy blog name. Make it memorable and relevant to your niche. Use tools like Namesh to see if your dream name is available. Now let's talk about platforms. WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix. Pick one that's user-friendly for you. Don't worry, you can always switch later. Design your blog layout. Keep it clean and easy to navigate. First impressions matter, so make sure it looks professional. Write your first post. Aim for value-packed content that solves a problem or shares an insight. Remember, quality over quantity. Promote, promote, promote. Share your posts on social media, join blogging communities, and engage with your readers. The more you put yourself out there, the more traffic you'll get. Be consistent, set a schedule, and stick to it. Your readers will come back if they know when to expect new content. Finally, don't forget to have fun. Blogging should be an enjoyable journey. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. There you have it. You're now ready to launch your blog and make your mark online. So what are you waiting for? Get started today, and happy blogging.